What's going on, y'all? This is Marcus with Power Studio, back with another video. And today we're going to be going over Merch Informer. So, Merch Informer is probably the best tool you can use when you need to do research for designs for Merch by Amazon. You can also use it for other platforms as well. So, if you're selling on like Redbubble or Teespring or Etsy, you can use this tool to get information because they do have other platforms that you can get research from. But I'm gonna be going over the platform today and kind of showing you guys around and showing you why it's so beneficial to use this platform. And in another video, I'm gonna be going over the automation aspect of this tool. So what you can do is you can create your designs, upload them to Merch by Amazon, and we can have it automatically upload your designs to other platforms. But we're gonna go over that a little bit, and I'm gonna make a full video on the automation tool itself, and I'll probably show you guys how to automate each platform in separate videos. So as you can see here with Merch Informer, you have product research, you have automations, keyword research. They even have a designer, trademark protection, and private training. So we're gonna be going over this tool today. If you guys are interested, go ahead and stay tuned and let's get it. All right. So whenever you get logged into Merch Informer, you're gonna arrive to this screen here. It'll give you your tutorials. The owner of this company, Neil, he'll go over the tutorials in these videos here. He has product research, keyword research, trademarks, tools, uploader, and designer. And it kind of goes over all of the tools that he has here in this platform that you can use to go ahead and help you guys do research for Merch by Amazon or any other platform that you're using. So we're gonna go over the most important tools here. I'm not gonna go over everything because the video will be super long, but we're gonna basically be going over like the product research, keyword research, talk a little bit about trademarks, some of the other tools, and we'll talk about favorites. So for product research, we have the product search. So that's just your basic product search. So we're gonna be using cat as the main keyword for all of these to kind of make this video quick, but it'll just kind of give you guys an idea of what you'll be getting when you're searching with Merch by Amazon. So this is the product search. We're gonna search cat and we're gonna see what it gives us. All right. So as you can see here, we have the keyword cat. It gives you keywords, results, BSR, average BSR of the designs, the lowest price, the highest price, and the average price. So you kind of want to focus on that average price. It's probably the price you usually want to kind of keep your designs around. I would say maybe 18.99, 17.99, around that range for these. So as you can see here, it shows you all the designs here. Shows you your competition check for that particular keyword. So it's F for this one, which is fail, which isn't good. So if it's kind of like on a grading scale, A, B, C, D, F. Um, A being the best, F being the worst. So this isn't a good keyword to kind of try and rank for. You want to definitely kind of niche down, maybe get a specific cat, maybe a Maine Coon cat or something like that. You want to niche down into a specific cat to kind of get a better competition score because the word cat itself is pretty broad, and I'm sure they have millions of products with the word cat in it. So this is basically just the product search. It'll give you the keywords to your right, and it'll give you all the designs that they have for that particular keyword here. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and go to merchant search. So with merchant search, this is kind of where you do your spying on your competitors. So if you have a competitor that you know their brand name to, and or if you have like a product that you want to kind of see if they have other products under that brand name, you just put in the brand name here, and you can search the information for that particular product for Merch by Amazon. So right here we have Merch Hunter. So Merch Hunter is a little bit more of an advanced way to do searches. And you can use keywords, but you don't have to with this. It's basically like you trying to find like best sellers. And not having a keyword is you looking for designs that you can maybe reverse engineer, change the theme or change the subject of and make it your own. So here you can, come in here and we can search by top 100, top 200, top 300, top 400, 500, etc. And let's do a quick search actually. Let's do the top 100. As they say, merch by Amazon. And I'm not going to select anything. You can exclude selected brands. So if you want to exclude like Disney and stuff like that, you can exclude them here. And we're just going to do a basic search here. See what we get. All right. So as you can see here, we have a Trump shirt. We have Hello Kitty. We have a Christmas shirt as well. So they do have a lot of election shirts that are trending right now, but you also want to be careful with those because some stuff may be trademarked if you try to use them. So just be careful if you want to use the election shirts. And as you can see here, there's a lot of Hello Kitty and a lot of other trademark information here that's trending um, right now on Amazon. So what we're gonna do is go back to the top and we're gonna try and let's go ahead and narrow this down. So let's say we wanted let's say shirts that have 4-star ratings. So what we can do is find like shirts that maybe have like lower ratings and people may not like something about the shirt. We can find out what that is they don't like and go ahead and make it better for them. So we can do that. We can lower the BSR and raise it as well so we can keep it between a certain point. So as you can see here, there's a lot of different, tinkering you can do in here to kind of maybe find designs that may not show up in the first top 100 or top 500, but they're in the top 500 of this particular BSR, this particular BSR. So this is another way you can do it. Estimated sales, you don't have to change that unless you want. If you want to get a certain price range, you don't have to really change that. Number of reviews, I'm just gonna put this at 1 with number of reviews and the average BSR. I'm not gonna move that as well. So as you can see here, we got a lot of trademark stuff with this one. Oh yeah, and let me also select all for it's gonna select all the brand trademarks in here, so it'll remove those. So let's go ahead and do a search now and see what we come up with. All right. So as you can see now, we get a lot of just normal designs that we probably can use. Now, I I heard you can't really use the army design, so I don't really know about this one, but it did still show a Pixar shirt. But as you can see, a lot of these designs are, more suitable for merch by Amazon and size you're probably able to use. But you would have to come in here and refine it a little bit more. This is just an example of how the tool works. And it's a good way for you to come in here and do research and maybe reverse engineer these, like I said, to make them your own. All right. So we have the Etsy and Pinterest search. So for the Etsy and Pinterest search, let's put in cat and we're going to search Etsy and see what we get. All right. So as you search for cat and Etsy, you get all these different designs here. Um, a lot of these may not be shirts, but it's just more of the print on demand stuff they're selling on Etsy. So as you can see, we have a few shirts here, but this is a good way to also find other items that you may want to sell. Not just shirts. You can maybe take some of these items that are selling on pants and maybe add them to shirts or, other items like tote bags or the phone cases or the mugs that they have now on Amazon or the cups. I'm sorry, but this is a good way to find designs as well through Etsy and see what's selling on there to maybe reverse engineer to your Merch by Amazon account. So that's the Etsy and Pinterest search. It's the same thing with Pinterest. You just select Pinterest at the top and you go ahead and do your search. So we also have the movers and shakers with Amazon. So the movers and shakers, it's just designs that are recently sold. As you can see here, you can put it from daily, weekly, or monthly. And you can select whatever category you want to use, and it'll give you like the designs that have sold recently. Like as you can see here, you see the dots. This usually when you get a sale, the BSR is raising, and it just drop down when it gets a sale. So this is a good way to find designs that are selling today. They may not be bestsellers or anything like that, but they're like designs that have recently sold on Merch by Amazon. So that's a good way to find designs as well. All right, so we have Merch Archive. So with the Merch Archive, you can see here, you can go ahead and check on designs that have sold in the past. So this is basically like an archive of old designs that they have that you can view and possibly see what has sold in the past and maybe use it now. So let's go ahead and go to November 1st of 2022. And let's see what's selling in November 2022. All right. So as you can see here, these are the top selling designs in November of 2022. So what you could do here is go ahead and go back and possibly find some designs that were selling back then and maybe put a 2024 spin on them, or maybe, upgrade them. Maybe they don't look as good as designs that are now out nowadays, and you can maybe upgrade the designs for yourself. So that's another good way you can use this tool with the merch archive. All right. So for keyword research, we have the keyword finder. So with the keyword finder, it's basically going to find some keywords for you that are trending on Amazon based on the keyword that you initially put in. So what we put in here is the same keyword we've been using is cat. We put that in and it finds some trending keywords or phrases that are related to the initial keyword that you put in. It'll also find some Amazon frequent keywords for you that are also put in with cat that you can also maybe use for designs as well. They also have a keyword cloud, which is a bunch of keywords that have been saved over time based on one word, two word, and three words. And they have the search results for those particular keywords as well. Then you have trending phrases, which is similar to the keyword cloud. You search here, and they have a list of trending phrases that you can use as well and the search of those particular phrases. All right. And we have the niche hunter here as well. So you can go in here and find a specific niche that you may want to use to go ahead and create designs in that specific niche. So if you want to like just lock in on one niche, this will be the place you want to go and look for your designs. All right. All right. So for trademarks, we have trademark alerts. So here you can put in keywords that you want to save, and it'll let you know if these keywords are safe to use. So you can just have them saved here, and just check them from every now and then. And if anything becomes trademarked, it'll let you know here, and you can just remove it from Amazon, so you don't get a violation. But that is the trademark alerts section, and as you can see, you get over 8,000 keywords if you have the pro. I don't know exactly what it is for the smaller subscription, but you do get 8,000 that you can save here for the pro version. All right. And for tools, we have the listing score checker. So basically, it's going to check on the score of your listing, let you know any suggestions you need to make the listing better or whatnot. We have a synonym suggester. So basically, you just put in a keyword and it'll give you synonyms based on that specific keyword, such as nouns, adjectives, and verbs. And we have our favorites section. So for the favorites, you can just go ahead and let's say when you're doing your product search, and when you do your product search, and let's say you have a design that you like, what you can do is click the heart right here, and it'll allow you to save it to your favorites. And if we come back to favorites, go to products, and it'll have all the products that you saved over time. As you see, this goes back like to 2020. I've been using this tool longer than that, but that's when I started like taking it serious, like saving my designs and things like that. Like before that, I was just kind of winging it, but recently I've been kind of taking this a little bit more seriously. But this is the favorites category. So you just have like a category of saved designs that you have saved over time. And then here is for your favorite keyword. So if you have like a favorite keyword you want to use, you can go ahead and put that in here as well and save it. You can download the results, things like that. And then we have external services. We have the merch informer lister, which took me to the page. This was good when merch first came out. You were able to just automatically select the colors and stuff like that, and it saved a lot of time. But now, um, it's kind of built into the platform, so this is a little bit outdated, but it was useful at one point. Merch designer. The merch designer is basically like you select the product, and you come in, you can select your color. You have a bunch of templates you can use here. You just put in the template, and you can move it around and edit it. Let's see, let's change read to write. Let's actually capitalize it. Simple as that. You have a t-shirt design you can use, and you can just download it up here, and they also have more than this. This is just an example. They have this one here, and clip art you can add if you want to add a frog, and just make it smaller or whatnot. Oh, it looks like I flipped it. Okay, so it's just an example of some of the stuff they have here. And this is pretty good because they're providing a lot of value for you for the tool. So for $20 a month, you get a full research tool, you get a designer, and you get an automatic uploader. So it's a really good tool for you. He actually had playset mock-ups, so that's interesting. All right, so let me get back to Merch Informer, and it's the merch designer. They have Merch Studio as well. Log in over here. All right, so Merch Studio is similar to the Merch Designer. It's a little bit more comprehensive than the Designer. You have a lot more stuff you can use, but like I said, like this tool provides so much value with the amount of, or this platform provides so much value with the amount of tools that they give you to use. And so this is a design they made, and I was just kind of editing it to try to make it my own. But this is just an example of some of the stuff you can do here in Immersed by Amazon. As you can see, you can just move all this stuff around and adjust it to your liking. All right, so let's get back to it, and we have the trademark protection, which is another way we can kind of save on, watch out for trademarks within Amazon, and it'll let you know what is trademarked and what isn't. All right, guys. So that was Merch Informer. I'll leave an affiliate link in the description below if you guys are interested in signing up. So I'm gonna also be going over the single upload interface. That's a great way for you guys to kind of diversify your designs. So whenever you upload a design, you're not only uploading it to Amazon, you're uploading it to any other platform that they have available. And they have like 6 to 8 platforms that you can upload to outside of Amazon that work with Merch Informer, a single upload interface. So there's going to be another video. I'll probably make videos going over each platform, how you can upload to each one in its own separate video, because a lot of them you have to do a little bit putting it together, the design and the platform, setting it up first. So I'll go over that in another video. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and leave me a comment if you have any questions or concerns about anything I went over in the video. So this was Marcus for Pod Merch Studio. Thanks for watching, and y'all have a good one. Peace.